Okay, so this is a Tegrity record, short Tegrity recording that we'll be using to try transferring to Panopto. I just happen to have this PowerPoint sitting around on my computer, so we'll talk about the first couple of slides and then we'll use that to transfer to Panopto. So this happens to be about budgeting and variances, a very exciting subject. And we will explore the uses of budgets and production variances. We probably actually won't get to that, but anyway, let's just see what's happening today in our agenda. First, discussion of budgeting. Second, discussion of variances. In the discussion of variances, we'll talk about materials, labor, overhead, and overhead. Then we'll do some demonstration problems. And then we'll talk about Thursday's class. And then we'll do some group work. Okay, so what is a budget? A budget is a quantitative, that's numbers, expression of a firm's strategic plan of action. So the master budget is prepared before the accounting period begins. It's a static budget, has standard costs. So to prepare a budget, first we're going to project our sales. Then we're going to plan our production activity level. Included in that is the sales prediction, the current finished goods inventory, the desired ending finished goods inventory. Then plan purchases and employment, and estimate fixed costs. And prepare an estimated income statement and balance sheets. Okay, we'll do one more slide, or one or two more slides. So why would we want a budget? Well, without a budget, it's hard to plan. So we may have short-term plans or operational plans, and capital budgets, long-term plans. We want to know that we can afford to build our buildings and whatever. And in terms of planning our company strategy. Then we can also use the budget for performance evaluation. Did we hit the marks that we put in that budget? You know, did we exceed them? Did we not make them? Why did we exceed them? Why did we not make them? We can use this information for planning for the future and for better execution in the future. So we'd want to look at variances and responsibility centers, like who screwed up and who did a good job. And then also we would use it for control. We love control. So behavioral aspects of budgeting, participative budgeting, if we get everybody involved, there's more buy-off, there's better information, better cooperation. Budgetary slack, I don't know what that's about. And you might have some dysfunctional responses too. So a compulsion to spend all discretionary funds. Short-run emphasis on budget only. And questionable actions designed only to balance the budget. We wouldn't do that, would we? If you have a flexible budget, it's the master budget you would have prepared if you'd known before the accounting period started how much you would actually produce during the period, whatever that means. Flexible budget equals standard cost allowed for good output achieved. Okay? Let's stop now. Okay, so we'll stop now. We've gone through a bunch of slides. This will give us something to do